Recovery is a journey, and like any journey, there are warning signs when we might be getting off track. Recognizing these warning signs of relapse can prevent what is called relapse drift. When a person starts to experience the following, they know they are at increased risk for relapse. First, addict thinking. These are distorted thoughts that put sobriety at risk, such as, "I can have just one." "People already think I'm using, so might as well." Or, "I've worked hard, I deserve a chance to use." Second, addict behavior, which are unhealthy behaviors and habits that reinforce substance use, such as lying, isolating, acting impulsively, or being overly aggressive. And third, emotional buildup, emotions that keep getting stronger without practicing any self-care, such as boredom, anxiety, irritability, depression, shame, guilt, anger, or sadness. It can be helpful to remind yourself that these feelings are temporary and use healthy coping tools as soon as you recognize emotional buildup happening. By better managing addict thinking, addict behaviors, and emotional buildup, one can avoid the pitfalls of relapse drift. The gradual shift away from abstinence to relapse can be subtle and easily explained away or denied, which can make a relapse feel as if it happened suddenly. But relapse does not happen without warning. It results from a slow movement from abstinence, like a ship gradually drifting away from where it is moored. This drifting movement can be so slow you don't even notice. This is called relapse drift. In recovery, people prevent relapse drift by doing specific things to stay sober. You can think of these as like the mooring lines of a ship. They're the anchors that hold recovery in place and prevent relapse drift. These might include meetings, a sponsor, therapy, sober relationships, a positive attitude change, meditation, spirituality, exercise, and other recovery tools. When you stop doing one or more of these things, you begin relapse drift. Sometimes difficult events like emergencies, illnesses, or life transitions, though, can shake your recovery anchors loose. But the more anchors you have in place, the more likely you are to remain secure in your sobriety when difficult events happen. Take a moment to identify your recovery anchors. Think of 5 specific things that are helping you remain anchored in your sobriety today. Remember, recovery is possible, and staying anchored when you start to see relapse warning signs will help you stay on course.